Howdy everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Always good to have you here. Or if you're brand new, welcome. This is Forex Prop Reviews. And this time we have a brand new review video for you. And on this one, we're going to go over Blueberry Funded and what it exactly is that they are offering to traders around the world. Now in this video, we'll cover the funding models Blueberry Funded have, take a look at its rules and trading objectives, and assess the funding feasibility. We're also going to take a look at what the broader industry sentiment is around the firm, so that by the end, hopefully you'll have a clearer understanding of what the prop firm is offering and what it is they exactly do. As always, make sure you stick with us until the end of the video. Do have an exclusive discount code for you that I'm sure you won't want to miss. With that said though, let's dive in and discover what Blueberry Funded is all about and why they might be the ideal choice for your trading journey. All right, if you're unfamiliar with Blueberry Funded, then it's time to get familiar with one of the more exciting and up-and-coming players in the prop trading scene. They came into the industry in August 2024 by Dean Hyde. They've quickly risen to prominence thanks to its broker-backed foundation, really high level of transparency, trader-focused approach, and really innovative offerings. Now, they are based out of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, and they're rapidly expanding their global footprint. So let's jump straight in. We're going to look at the unique Forex challenges, the trading rules, and really what it takes to get funded. So Blueberry Funded offers 4 different funding paths, including a brand new stock challenge. But today we're going to be focusing on their 3 core challenges, being the 2-step, the 1-step, and the rapid challenge, each designed to suit different trading styles and goals. So let's kick things off with Blueberry Funded's 2-step challenge. Let's look at the parameters here and the ability to get funded. So it's a classic evaluation model. It gives you a chance as a trader to manage accounts ranging from $5,000 up to $200,000. And the program specifically designed for skilled traders who can demonstrate consistent profitability while effectively managing risk throughout not just both stages of the evaluation, but a fully funded account as well. So very quickly to go over the features. So phase 1, your objective is to achieve a 10% profit target without breaching a 5% daily loss limit or 10% maximum loss. Very industry standard there. There's no cap on trading days, so you can work at your own pace, but you will need to complete a minimum of 3 trading days in order to qualify for the next phase. Now, phase 2 maintains the same risk parameters of 5% maximum daily, 10% overall loss, but lowers the profit target of 5%. Again, no deadline pressure, just a minimum of 3 trading days to advance. And once both stages are successfully completed, you'll receive a fully funded account with the same risk limits in place. Very standard there, very realistic trading conditions. Now, to become eligible for your first payout, you'll need to trade for those 3 days and meet a minimum withdrawal threshold of $100. Payouts begin 14 calendar days after placing your first trade, and after that, you can withdraw profits bi-weekly every 2 weeks. In terms of profit share, you'll start with 80% profit split, which can increase up to 90% based on your performance. Leverage is set at 1-50, and this challenge offers a very balanced structure for traders who are looking to prove their skills and scale up with confidence. There's a few key rules here in terms of trading and objectives that you always must follow. Regardless of your account size, obviously there is strict loss limit rules of 5 and 10% respectively, daily and overall, both during the evaluation and after funding. You must keep in mind those minimum of 3 days to qualify for payouts. It's also really important to note that news trading is restricted, so no new positions can be opened or closed on any affected instruments within the 10-minute window before and after a high-impact news release. And these rules are designed to encourage disciplined, consistent trading and ensure a really fair and stable evaluation process for all participants. All right, next up is Blueberry Funded's 1-step challenge. Let's look at the parameters here for this particular program. And this is a streamlined evaluation designed for confident and disciplined traders, likely those who've already got a bit of experience in the industry. Account sizes once again ranging from $5,000 to $200,000, and this is a faster path to funding while still maintaining a strong emphasis on risk management and consistency. Now, unlike the 2-step model, the challenge condenses the evaluation into a single phase, giving you the opportunity to prove your skills right away. Now, to pass the evaluation, you'll need to reach a 10% profit target, all while staying within the slightly tighter risk limits, a 4% maximum daily loss and a 6% overall drawdown. There's no maximum time limit to complete the challenge, but once again, you've got 3 minimum trading days to qualify for funding. Leverage on this account is set at 1-30, And this is promoting a more conservative, professional approach to trading. Now, once you complete the challenge, obviously you're awarded a funded account, which is the goal. Same risk parameters in place. Same again in terms of payouts. You'll need to meet a $100 withdrawal minimum and complete 3 trading days on your funded account. Bi-weekly payouts from there, 80% profit split, the potential to earn up to 90% based on performance. So the one-step challenge is very structured, very clear objectives, very reasonable in our opinion to get funded. There's some key rules you must need to keep in mind so that you can progress to funding. Obviously, no time limit to complete the funding, but you've got those 3 trading days to become eligible. Same risk parameters apply even once you're fully funded. News trading, once again, prohibited on the affected instruments during the 10-minute window. Once again, these rules are in place across all their programs for consistent trading while maintaining a secure and fair evaluation environment. All right, now let's take a look at Blueberry Funded's Rapid Challenge. And this is a more accelerated one-step evaluation built for traders who are already confident in their ability to deliver quick, consistent results. With account sizes ranging on this particular program from $10,000 to $100,000, the challenge is ideal for those who really thrive under tighter timelines and want to fast-track their way to funding. Probably not ideal for the complete beginner. So to pass this evaluation, you have a 5% profit target within just 1 week, while staying within the stricter risk parameters, 3% maximum daily loss and 4% trailing maximum loss. There are no minimum trading days, so if you reach the target within the time frame while respecting the rules, you are good to go. Once the evaluation is successfully completed, you'll receive a fully funded account with the same risk limits in place. You'll need to trade for at least 3 days and meet a $100 minimum withdrawal threshold to request your first payout, and the rest is pretty much the same. 14 calendar days after your first trade, you'll get your first payout. Bi-weekly payouts after that. Profit split starting at 80%, climbing to 90% based on your performance. It's really designed for fast-paced traders in mind. Its rules reflect that urgency and precision. So unlike other programs, there's no minimum trading days. You simply need to meet the target within the set time frame while respecting the risk parameters. Once funded, the same risk limits apply. There are no ongoing profit targets for withdrawals or scaling. Just like the other challenges, news trading is restricted. You can't open or close trades on relevant instruments. Once again, even though it's a little bit different parameters, it's a more fast, accelerated version. The rules are in place to ensure a structured, disciplined trading environment while offering a high-speed route to get fully funded. Now, all 3 challenges, the 1, the 2, and the rapid, we're not touching on the stock one for today. I'm sure we'll do another updated video on that one. But all 3 challenges come with a very well-structured scaling plan. Here we can have a look at how you get your hands on a bit more capital. So if a trader maintains an average return of 10% over a 3-month period and completes at least 4 successful withdrawals during that time, they become eligible for a 25% increase in their initial account size. For example, if you start with a $100,000 account and you meet the scaling criteria, your account will grow to $125,000 after 3 months. Maintain those results, and after the next 3 months, your account increases to $150,000, $175,000, and so on. What's even more exciting is that on all 3 challenges, traders receive a profit split boost to 90% after their first scale up, and this adds even more value and incentive to long-term performance. So really great scaling plan here from Blueberry Funded. It not only rewards steady profitability, but also gives traders an exciting opportunity to gradually grow their capital and maximize earnings with each step they make forward. So that's an overview of their funding programs. But what's really making Blueberry Funded different from other prop firms that are out there offering something similar? So really what's helping them set themselves apart from the crowd in an industry full of prop trading options, it really starts with flexibility. Unlike many firms that stick to a single evaluation model or a funding program, Blueberry Funded offers different account types, being the 2-step, unique 1-step, fast-paced rapid challenge. The variety gives traders the freedom to choose a path that matches their trading style and time preference, whether you're a complete beginner or very experienced. One of the real edges also lies in the benefits packed into each program. So across the board, traders enjoy first payouts just 14 days after their first trade. There's bi-weekly withdrawals instead of monthly, like a lot of firms provide. Unlimited time to complete the evaluation in the 2 and the 1-step challenges removes the pressure of deadlines and allows traders to focus on performance rather than time constraints. Meanwhile, the rapid challenge offers speed, so no minimum trading day requirements, a 1-week evaluation window, perfect for traders who would like to move quickly. The scaling plan included in all of the programs. They also add multiple add-on features. So it gives you additional tools to personalize and enhance the trading experience, something that we don't see across the board with all prop firms. So in short, Blueberry Funded combines versatility, faster payouts, performance-based growth, and trader-friendly conditions in a way that is helping them stand out. So whether you're a traditional two-step journey or a rapid-fire challenge person, there is something here for every type of trader and the freedom to grow along the way. Now that's all well and good, but is getting the funding realistic? Can you get funded for it? One of the most important questions you need to ask yourself is it realistic? Do the parameters allow you to actually go and be successful? Well, if we look at the two-step challenge, very moderate targets plus no time limits makes it a very viable option for steady and strategic traders. The one-step challenge follows a similar path, just requires just 3 trading days to perform without pressure. Even the fast-paced rapid challenge, despite the 7-day time limit, it offers the lowest profit target of the 3 alongside manageable risk parameters. So it's more condensed, but there's also a lot of flexibility to approach the challenge on your own terms. So across all the programs, it's highly achievable for traders who approach the markets with discipline and consistency, and that's really one of the key parameters to look at. When we're talking about payouts and payment proof, that's at the end of the day where everyone is actually working towards. They've already built a strong reputation within the prop trading community, a growing number of traders reaching fully funded status and successfully cashing out their profits. In terms of when they're getting paid, so yes, all the payment proof is publicly available. You can see it for yourself. On Trustpilot, you can go through, have a look, especially in the Discord channel. So if you're interested to get amongst Blueberry Funded, really encourage you to get into their social channels. There's numerous payout certificates regularly shared by their traders who have hit their goals and achieved their rewards. From a technology standpoint, in terms of broker, a really important factor to consider. So one of the things that helps them stand out is they're a broker-backed prop firm partnered directly with Blueberry Markets. Unlike many prop firms that operate independently of brokers, Blueberry Funded is built on the foundation of a well-established and reputable brokerage as it is, offering traders an edge in reliability and execution. Blueberry Markets as a broker is already known for its competitive pricing, really fast execution, great trading experience, so it makes it an ideal partner for serious traders. And when it comes to trading platforms, traders can choose between MT4, MT5, or DX Trade, depending on your preference and your trading style. So a broker-backed setup not only enhances your trading conditions, but also, in our opinion, adds a layer of trust and professionalism that's helping set Blueberry Funded apart from many other firms in the space. Now, when it comes to trading instruments, Blueberry Funded offers plenty of flexibility there as well. So because they are working with Blueberry Markets as a brokerage firm, you can trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and crypto, or all of the above. So plenty of freedom and flexibility to build a strategy for your particular preference. We touched on the leverage, goes up to 1 to 50 depending on the challenge and the instrument you are trading. All right, last few things that we're going to cover here. One of them was in terms of educational content. We always like to look at how well a prop firm is actually supporting their traders. So at the moment, Blueberry Funded doesn't offer its own in-house educational content, but they do have a really rich learning experience through Blueberry Markets. So the broker itself provides a bunch of resources, including market analysis, a full academy, and guidance on how to trade with MetaTrader. So that's really great for all of their traders looking to build a solid foundation, and even experienced traders looking to sharpen their skills. On top of that, Blueberry Funded equips its traders with a fantastic trader dashboard that goes far beyond just basic tracking. It's an intuitive platform that offers in-depth performance analytics, real-time statistics. So whether you're managing risk, monitoring drawdowns, or just tracking your progress towards your next payout and growing your capital, the dashboard that they provide all their clients makes it seamless, really easy to understand, and it's an essential tool to help traders stay focused, informed, and in control every step of the way. All right, we're going to change angle just for the last little bit here and have a look at Trustpilot and the broader community. If we jump on over here, they've got quite a good rating, a limited amount of reviews at the time of recording. We do expect that to grow, but a notable amount of their reviews are giving them a really high rating, so that hopefully speaks for itself. Again, I'm not going to go through and read out every single review here. That's for you to do your own due diligence. But overall, I saw a few great things, applauding their customer service, the fast payouts, how smooth and efficient the process was, the trading conditions, the support team. So a lot of great points there that you look for before working with a prop firm. So go through and have a read. The good, the bad, and everything in between. It's all worth taking into consideration. But let's jump back over to the homepage and wrap it all up. So Blueberry Funded, they're fairly new into the industry, but they are certainly growing and standing out as a reputable, trustworthy prop trading firm, offering lots of flexibility between all of their programs. Realistic trading conditions, powerful opportunity for traders across the globe in terms of their broker and dashboard. So look, if you're somebody who's looking for a prop firm that balances flexibility, growth, fairness, and transparency, then Blueberry Funded is absolutely worth considering. Well, that's what I have for you on this one, guys, regarding Blueberry Funded. Now, hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative, most importantly. Now, let us know in the comments below your feedback on the prop firm. We always love to hear you guys' thoughts and perspective, especially if you're someone that has worked directly with the firm. And before we go, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, our other social media pages, and that way you can be up to date with all things regarding the proprietary trading firm industry. Also, before I forget, don't forget you can check the link below, and that's where you can get your hands on the discount code for Blueberry Funded, as we mentioned, and that's just another perk of watching our videos. Great to have your viewership as always, guys. Happy and successful trading, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.